Hi, this is CAD/CAM Lessons channel, and in this video I will show you how to create a fillet with different radius values. I will start a new project. I will create a box with dimensions of 100 by 80 and a height of 20 millimeters. Okay, next I will add fillets to the corners. I hold down the Shift key and select 4 corners edges of this box. Just make sure that you have edge selection mode turned on, and I will add a fillet here with a radius of 30 millimeters. Okay. Next I press the Alt key and select the entire top edge, and then I will add a radius of any value here. And now, to be able to create such a radius with different values on one edge, we need to add reference points. This is enabled by command under the letter V. I press the letter V and add additional points. I will place one here. Next, we need to specify the second point, and I will place this point here. Now, when I press the letter V, I can add more points. I pressed V and added this point, and press V again and specify this point. And now, by dragging these points, we can add other radius values here. Right-click to accept, and we have created something like this. In the case of freeform conceptual modeling, something like this can be very useful. And that was a short tip, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.